Hi guys, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, April the 28th, 2021. Because today on Thursday we don't have an additional. The publisher has not published an additional for today, so I've decided on Thursday I will continue with the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper. Alright, and this binary puzzle will be a number 2714. 2714. All right, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one here, no there, no. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one here, no there, no. Then double one here, no there, no. Okay. Then I'm stuck. Interesting. Then I need to think. Oh, no. Here, between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double one here, no there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double one. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one here, no there, no. Okay. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then do we need to compare? 3 O's, 4 O's in the first column, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great without comparing. Yeah. Alright. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, April the 28th. We have a tectonic left with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.